See cat there. Yes. The cat a twerk it. Wagwan people, wanna deal with. It's your boy JAMAICA'S Gamer Reactions here with another reaction, and today we are react to a song. This is the first song we are react to. So this song is doing numbers online. This song has done over 11 million in 5 days. So why not react to it? So the song is Megan Thee Stallion, Don't Stop featuring Young Thug. Okay, Megan Thee Stallion, Don't Stop featuring Young Thug. This is the official video. Never hear that song. My brethren link me and say, yo, that song you going with things. Deal with it. Big up yourself, my G. You know yourself. You know yourself, my GG. So, Jamaican react to Meg Thee Stallion. Y'all tick, you know. The girl tick like clock. Y'all tick like caramel porridge. The girl tick like she drink cement soup. Ready? Let's go. Megan Thee Stallion. Diamonds. Yeah. Don't stop.
Real hot girl shit.
Hold on, is a cat me say dance a while ago? Hold on, me just see a cat. Me just see a cat. Now pick up everything, you know.
Real hot girl shit.
See there? It's a cat. One cat at work. This song never started and we start laugh already. The cat at work. The cat is twerking. Let's go, Melon. Megan, wife of the Melon. Megan, let's go.
I got a stank ass walk and a reckless ass mouth.
Yeah.
My shit so tight when we fuck my pussy talk.
Oh gosh. I should have known. I should have known is this type of song because she and Cardi B sing WAP. So you should have known it's this type of song she's coming with. Again, it's working for her. She's doing it. Let's go, girl.
I don't even say what's up. I just
tell again.
What I want.
Yeah.
I got another nigga that's gonna do it if he don't.
Yeah.
Attitude bad, but he too good when he say fuck.
So basically, she's saying if this guy won't do it, the next guy will do it. How you feel about that, dude? How you feel about that, guys? If you not do what she want, the next guy I go do it. Big up the cat in this video. We are Turk, same way.
Me and tell them fuck me good. Chase these niggas, I wish I would. Bad bitch like me, hoes wish they could. She's Casper to me, I need glasses to see. And I'm all with a daddy, she a bastard to me.
Yeah.
Fucking him right, bitch, pass him to me. Real niggas.
Whoa. She said, basically, girl, if you're not give it to him right, pass him to me. Let me deal with him wicked. That is what she's basically saying. Ladies, if you're not do your man right, if you're not give it to your man right, give him to me. Let me deal with him wicked. Maybe she will give him back to you. I don't know. Let's go. Big up the cat again in this video. At Turk.
Love me from the H to the D. Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that shit. Work it, bitch.
Yo, these girls are thick. Them girls are thick. I love the costume. The costume with the whole heap of diamond and thing tonight. There's a rocking horse in the background. Nice production. I love this video. Bassline a kick. Doom. Yeah. Let's go.
Don't stop, pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that shit. Work it, bitch. Just for the day. See, you gotta go.
Don't talk, yeah.
She got your code. What's your rock chain? Let me see. Pinky in the brain.
The man got Edward Scissors hands. The man got Edward Scissors hands, dog. Let's get back his spot again. The man got Edward Scissors hands, brother. Edward Scissors hands. That's a classic movie there. For those of you guys who don't see that movie there, we not waste time on earth. No on yourself. Let's go.
Shake that shit.
Where they now? Yeah.
Just for the day. See, you gotta go. Roll a spade.
Yeah.
Catch your code. What's your rock chain? Let me see. Pinky in the brain.
Trouble.
Baby mamas ain't the same. Now she like, baby, that ice my chain. You better come and give me top like a crane. You a bitch and a whole bunch of game.
She's about to come give me top like crane. Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold on. Wait. Let me stop dancing for a bit and try to pick up what I say.
Work it, bitch. Just for the day. See, you gotta go. Roll a spade. She catch your code. What's your rock chain? Let me see. Pinky in the brain. Our baby mamas ain't the same. Now she like, baby, that ice my chain. She about to come and get me top like a crane. You a bitch in a whole bunch of game.
His flow is smooth. His flow is smooth. Yo. The video is bad. It's very creative. I like the headrest scissors hand that's going on. Big up the cat that's twerking again. Let's go.
Shake what you got there, gay. Yo, and I'ma ice your wrist like a player. Got Miami, LA. Now the ass is fat like an acre. Come to the spot and we can lay up. Now
You see cat again?
cream that pussy like mayors. Ever since I got my cake up, I've been running these bitches like mayor. Don't stop, hatchback, shaking that ass on Snapchat. Off the strip and shaking that ass. What you do for these rats? What my thoughts say? I just free this bitch like a bird. Yeah.
Look at the cat again. Look at the cat. What is the reason for this cat to be in this video like this, doing all this crazy stuff? If it's not twerking, it's peeking through holes and it's looking over things. And it's what is wrong with this post?
What my thoughts say? I just free this bitch like a bird.
Watch your post.
Yeah.
Watch your post. It's smiling. Can somebody please explain to me why is this cat in the video doing all of this? Out of all the animal, why a cat? Why a cat? Meow. Why a cat? Let's go.
What my thoughts say? When we hit it for the back, say slash. Don't stop, pop that cat.
So she changed from the diamond outfit to the red outfit. Now she's on a blue theme now. It's going good. I like it, man. The bass line is kicking. These headphones are too powerful. Pack up like they are powerful. Ready?
Just like that, shake that shit, work it, bitch. Don't stop, pop that cat, just like that, shake that shit, work it, bitch. Blow him like AC, give me big head, shake that shit, work it, bitch. Blow him like AC.
She said, I'm gonna blow him like AC. That's what she said, not me. I'm gonna blow him like AC. That's cold. That's cold, bro. When she said she's gonna blow you like AC, she gonna take your soul away. Give it to Master. That is what's gonna be happening. Master. Yo, song bad. Yo, the girl them thick better. The girl them look good, dog. Twerk for me.
Give me big head like IT. Lick me till I scream. Twist his tongue like I mean. My body so out of this world. Change my act, name the Astro Girl. People sound way too full of myself. You're right, and I ain't even made it to dessert.
I be a freak in this. I'm going in the second verse. Be a freak in this. It's working for her there. Like 11 million in 5 days. Come on, dog. It's Million the Stallion, bro. Y'all tick like a stallion, dog.
But we no angel, star no spangle. 40-inch weave by killing don't tango. Call my drug dealer boyfriend on tango. Use the tahini when I'm eating a mango.
Call her drug dealer boyfriend Pantango. Who use tango nowadays? Does anyone even remember tango? Does anyone remember tango? Probably a lot of you guys are too young to even remember tango. Call her drug dealer boyfriend Pantango.
The inch weave by killing don't tango. Call my drug dealer boyfriend on tango. Use the tahini when I'm eating a mango. Yeah, I get jealous. If you ate it real good, I can't help it. Any bitch you fucking with, you need to get it. Before I come through and shit get hectic. Don't stop, pop that cat.
Yo, she and Cardi B is just doing the most in the videos, like doing the most in the lyrics, doing the most in the songs. But it's working, dog. It's working. The girl them twerking. Don't teeth to laugh there. Ready?
Just like that, shake that shit, work it, bitch. Don't stop, pop that cat.
See, cat there. Yes. The cat a twerk it. Yeah. Yo, the cat finally getting twerk on. See it, eh? Big up the cat. Big up cat. The cat getting twerk on. Got again. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Slap it. You see that look when the cat done it? The cat slap it and the cat look. It's me, boy. I'm slapping it. Let's go. Look at the look. See, look there. Yo, this video killed me. Yo, that video killed me. Yo, the cat has slapped Megan Stallion on her body. Yeah. 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 Pick up the cat. Oh, she said, don't stop, pop that cat. So that's why the cat is in the video. Oh, I figured out by myself. I didn't need your comment. I'm alright.
Shake that shit. Work it, bitch. Don't stop. Pop that cat. Just like that. Shake that shit. Work it, bitch.
So as Young Thug, well, it's obvious that Young Thug only get one verse. I can't remember if I 8 bars or 16 bars. I think I 8 bars him getting it still. But I think I 16 bars him get because it was quite long. But him think quite. His bit was quite creative as well with the Edward Scissors hand, and fair bit is just out of this world. Big up the cat. See cat there? Yo, these videos are creative. The king. You get a smoke. Yo, that was fire. That was fire. That was fire. Me enjoy that. Me enjoy that. Me enjoy that. That video is sick. And now I see why it is got so many views in 5 days. Less than a week. Woo, that's madness. Big up Megan Thee Stallion. Big up Young Thug. Big up the cat. Big up the cat. Big up the cat. Yo, this video is fire. Me like it. Me like it. Me like it. People, if you don't like this, I want to see more. Please leave a link in the comment section below. Also, for those who don't know, I am a gamer. So if you're into gaming and want to see a Jamaican play a game and go and band, please click the link down below and follow my gaming channel. Also, follow me on Instagram. My link is going to be in the description. Also, follow me on Twitch. The link is going to be in the description. Alright? So, guys, I enjoyed that video. This was my first music video. Big up my friend who sent the music video over. Guys, a nice video. So, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? If you can't be good, be lucky. If you don't have nothing good to say, you know what it is, man. Don't say nothing. Alright? Peace.